We were sent this faucet to check it out, install it, and give our honest opinion on the product. So let's do that. Let's take this thing out of the box and get it installed. So out of the box, of course, it comes with the faucet itself. It comes with a drain to match the faucet, and it comes with hot and cold hoses and a full instruction manual on how to install this faucet into your sink. All right, so this is actually the faucet in my son's bathroom. So we're going to replace this one. It's been in here probably 20 years. Definitely could be cleaner, but we just need to get rid of it. We're going to replace the faucet itself and also the drain with this new, much nicer black one. All right, so this is what we have under the sink. I'm going to have to pull this portion out here. This is the actual drain of the sink. So this will have to come out. And then we have PEX hoses. So those connect up there to the sink itself. All right, so I have the sink faucet removed. I did put the drain in already. I didn't film that because it was kind of dirty and I didn't want to touch the camera after messing with that. Plus, you don't want to see 20 years of gunk in a drain. I did clean up around here. Again, faucet was on there for 20 years, so it definitely had some calcium buildup and everything around it. But now that it's all nice and clean, and this is a good time to do that, we're going to put the new faucet in. And there is the faucet installed. Very easy to install. I put water down here in the sink so I could test to make sure that this stopper works well and doesn't leak. And it did a great job holding the water. It drains really well. No problem draining. Drains nice and fast. Sometimes these stoppers will not let enough water flow go around them, so they start to kind of fill up a little bit when you put water in. That is not the case here. Hot water over here on the left, cold water on the right. Very nice. Wife approved. She just came in and looked at it and said how much she liked it. Very happy with it. It's a very nice faucet. You can turn the head of the faucet and it's nice and smooth. It's got some pressure you got to use to do it, so it's got nice feedback, but it moves nice and smooth. The on and off is real smooth. Real soft touch to do it. Very nice. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.